Hey students, again welcome back to my channel Axang City. Hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to deal with the 31st July 2021 IELTS test complete prediction. I'm getting frequent requests to update this particular video and I will update regarding the essay questions as soon as possible. So you know that IDP is going to conduct the test all around India and we have academic and gender module on the same date. It's an added test date from IDP. So in coming months also we can expect more added test date from IDP because they are the only exam conducting body in India. So we can expect more IELTS test dates. So we are going to discuss in detail regarding 31st July. So it's for both morning and evening slot and we will start off with listening module as usual for both academic and general. So in part 1, you will hear a telephonic conversation between two speakers related to social topic and you can expect fill up type of question this time that will be in the form of a not completion that also one word and or a number. So try to read out the instruction. Here you can use one word or a number or both in together. So try to read the instruction carefully. So this part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2. Again, you will hear a talk between two speakers. So this time you can expect short MCQs and also match the information type of question in part 2. That means they will give the options and you want to cross it. So part 2 also will be an easy one. In part 3, you will hear an academic discussion between some students and this time there is a chance to get large MCQs along with selection of letters. That means from the 5 option you want to select any 2. So this part 3 will be a little bit tricky, so try to utilize the time in between. And in last part, so you will hear an academic lecture. It's a monologue and you will get the questions in the form of fill up type, that also not completion in one word only. It will also be an easy one. So overall, your listening section will be an easy one, but it completely based on your capability. If you are not practicing means it will be move on to tricky or moderate one. So try to complete the Cambridge textbook, especially the 16th one, and adjust your background speed if you are practicing in YouTube means. So try to adjust the background speed to 1.5x in part 1 and 2 and 1.25x in case of part 3 and 4. So all the very best for your listening section. Try to practice more. So now we'll see regarding the reading module for academic first. So you know that you will get 3 long passages and you want to answer the questions within 1 hour of time. So in passage 1, you can expect true, false, not given type of question along with fill-ups. That will be one word only fill-up, that also not completion. So this passage will be an easy one. So try to complete within 15 minutes of time. Then in passage 2, you can expect match the information type of question. That means which paragraph contain these information. They will give the information and you want to check out which paragraph contain those information. And they will give the instruction like you can use any letter more than once. So try to check it out. And along with that, you can expect fill up type of question. That will be a short not completion up to 2 words and also selection of letters. That means from the 5 option you want to select any 2. So they will give one set of this question or maybe 2 set of selection of letters. So this passage will be in moderate level. So try to spend more time and track your answers based on the keywords. So try to find out the keywords from the question first. Then in passage 3, you can expect MCQs with 4 options and fill up type of question. That will the options will be given in a box and you want to select it out, and also yes no not given type of question. So this passage will be easy to moderate level. So after completing this Cambridge textbook, you can go through IELTSfever.com. Sometimes they will ask the passages from that particular site. So try to go through that also. Then now we'll see regarding this gender module reading. So you know that in section 1 you will get 2 short passages and this time you can expect fill up type of question that will be in the form of a short not completion. Along with that, true false not given type of question too. So section 1 will be an easy one. In section 2, you can expect again 2 short passages and the questions will be in the form of match the information. Either they will ask in the form of list of heading or which paragraph contain this information. Okay, so you can expect match the information type of question Along with that, short answer question. They will give the instruction like you can use up to 3 words. So within that, you want to find the words from passage. And also MCQs along with 4 options. So section 2 also will be an easy one or easy to moderate, completely based on your capability. And in last section, you can expect one long passage, and the questions will be in the form of fill-up type of question. That will be one word only. Along with that, selection of letters. They will give 5 options and you want to select any two. And also yes, no, not given type of question. So this section 3 will be in moderate level. So overall we can set it as easy to moderate level. So try to practice more. Now we'll see regarding this writing module. And first we'll go through the task 1 of academic. So you can expect line chart, table, process diagram or map. The map will be in the form of a diachronic map. That means two map, same place at a different time. So please take care about the structure, vocabulary, connectors and all. Now we'll see regarding this task 2. You can expect opinion type essay. They will ask you in any form, but especially concentrate on is it a positive or negative development, and also agree, disagree. Along with that, discussion with opinion type essay. Under that, you can concentrate more on outweigh type, and also two-part essay. That means direct question. So these 3 category you want to concentrate more on. Now we'll see regarding this general module task 1. You can expect an informal letter this time. So take care about the opening, ending and how to divide the body paragraph and all. So informal languages and phrases you can able to use. And regarding this task 2 for gender module, this time you can expect opinion type essay or else discussion type essay. They will ask you in any forms like agree, disagree or advantage, disadvantage, discuss both views. Okay, so please concentrate on these 2 categories. Now we'll see regarding some essay topics for both academic and gender module, and it's for morning and evening slot. Okay, so you can just prepare some points under these topics: history, culture and tradition. Then next one related to world issues, any type of world issues or social issues like urbanization, modernization, globalization, global warming, overpopulation, age related factors, anything they can ask about. Then advertising and business, related to business firms or advertising, influence of advertising in children or related to this marketing and all. Then related to education, anything under education, online platforms, offline platforms, different medias for education, syllabuses, curriculum, about uniforms, any type of questions under education. Then environmental related questions related to animal extinction, biodiversity, then pollution problems, okay, climatic variations. Then related to these technologies and medias, any type of medias, that may be TV, radio, or else social media platforms. Okay, anything related to technologies, that is information technologies or communication technologies, they can ask for anything related to this internet, computer, mobile phone, and all, and also artificial intelligence related questions. And next one about food, that may be imported food, exported food, food industries, then fast food, then influence of that in our health and health related questions. Okay, and also transportation may be public or private transportation they can ask for, or congestion in cities, urban life related questions. Then last one is government and economy. So they can ask about the government role in any particular sectors, or whether the government want to fund for art sector, or whether the government want to fund for education sector, or related to health sector. Okay, related to this government and economy. So these all are the topics you need to prepare for your test dates. That means for 31st July. So try to go through our playlist for more videos related to IELTS. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon if you want to get notifications means. And I'm providing online classes and it's available now. So if you want to join means you can contact me for that. So thank you so much and stay tuned.